Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my class. Today we are discussing about the topic marketing environment. The organizations operates within the larger framework of the external environment that shapes opportunities and poses trust to the organization. The marketing environment consists of the actors and forces outside the organization that affect marketing management's ability to develop and maintain successful transactions with its target customers. Marketing system of every business organization is influenced by a large number of uncontrollable factors that surround the company. So, the marketing system of a company must have to operate within the framework of the environmental forces. So, there are the forces that's controlling the activities of organization, especially the outside forces. So, marketing environment consisting of the forces and factors that affecting the marketing management's ability to develop and maintain successful transaction to its target customer. The external environment is a set of complex, rapidly changing and significantly interacting institutions and forces that affect the organization to ability to serve its customers. So some of these factors are not controlled by organization. So that may be affected the productivity of the organization. You can look this picture, you can see the tire. In this picture, the manufacturer of the tire company is the organization, and their target is to the car dealers, and lots of activities are influenced by the manufacturing company of tire, like the dealers existence and the dealers issues and all, and the tax structure at the society or in the in the industry, and the logistics or the transportation facilities, and these suppliers. All these are affected by, or all these are the factors affected by a car manufacturing the car tire manufacturing company. So in this picture it's mentioned that there are factors like the taxes we have to pay to the government. That's not a controllable factor. And the logistics facilities, the transport, import, export. So once we manufacture in one country, we have to export or we have to import this product to another country. So if the regulations, the import and export regulations will affect the marketing of a product and to reach the product to the customer. At the same time, the dealership of the company also will affect. So these all are the factors that's affecting the productivity or the customer target customers. So marketing environment is become very important because of these are the environment fact that is changing and there is uncertainty. We cannot see the similarities always there in the market environment because it's always changing and there is always an uncertainty. Some of these environmental factors are uncontrollable. Some of the environment factors we can control, like technological changes, changing trans structure, legal and political factors. These factors we cannot control. So there is both a threat is there and opportunity is there in these changes. Sometimes the changes are good for the organization and sometimes will affect the organization negatively. For example, the fuel price in India will affect those companies who's handling the car rental and all. But at the same time, that will help the government to achieve more taxes from these products. So these environmental factors may be grouped as micro environment and macro environment. So there are two types of environmental factors in marketing. One is macro environmental factors and another is micro environmental factors. These factors are classified in terms of internal and external environmental factors also. So it's known as micro and macro environment. It's generally in another category. The same is classified as internal and external environmental factors. You can look this picture and you can see the factors, the marketing environmental factors is mentioned in the pictures. So the first is the micro environment and another is macro environmental factors. So the macro environmental factors is those factors that's all the outside institution and forces that have an actual or potential interest or impact on the organization's ability to achieve its objective. Each and every organization having its own objectives to achieve. So macro environment having some factors that's outside the factors, like external factors, not inside the organization. We can look the factors of macro environment are technological factors, political factors, cultural factors, democratic factor, economic factor, natural or physical factors. So these are the major factors affecting an organization, and that's outside the institutions and forces. These factors are either a direct or indirect impact on the organization ability to achieve its objectives. Though these factors are non-controllable factors, so they require a positive action with the targeted markets. So an organization with an environmental management perspective takes aggressive actions to affect the forces in its marketing environment rather than simply watching and reacting to them. So organizations are necessarily taking necessary steps to control all these macro environment or external environment factors for the smooth functioning of the organization. Next factor is micro environmental factors. So there are two different types of factors affecting an organization's marketing environment. One is macro. Macro is outside the factors. So micro environmental is consists of forces that are part of an organization marketing process but are externals to the organization. So micro environmental factors are part of the organization itself, but this is external to the organization. These micro environmental forces included the organization, the suppliers, customers, intermediate and competitors. These are the major micro environmental factors. Next we can discuss what is macro environmental. Macro environmental we discussed earlier, like consists of all the outside institution and forces that have either an actual or potential interest or impact on the organization's ability to achieve its objective. These factors will affect the organization to achieve its objectives. This is the outside factors, and but these factors have actual or potential interest on the organization. Another factor is micro environmental. Micro environment is parts of the organization, but it's parts of the organization of the marketing process, but these factors are external to the organization. We can look these macro environmental factors. One is demographic factor, another is technological factor, economic factor, political and legal, social and cultural, physical or natural factors. These are the factors that's uncontrollable, and outside the factors that have actual or potential interest of the organization to achieve its objectives, like demographics, sex, age, race, religion, all these factors. Then technology, newest changes in the technology ideas are affecting the organization to achieve its objectives. Economics, like inflations and the changes in these international means exchange rate and all is affecting. Then political and legal factors, the political relationship between the countries and the legal aspects, the socio-cultural factors, then physical or natural like environmental, the pollution, and all these factors are also the factors that influence an organization. These factors are uncontrollable factors and that's external factors. Next, we can look the micro-environmental factors. Micro-environmental factors which influence the marketing decisions of the company. We can look what are the micro-environmental factors. So, these are the organization itself, the suppliers, the marketing intermediaries, customers, competitors and the publics or the customers. So these are the factors that's related to the organization, but they are external to the organization. These factors also have a direct, actual or potential impact on organization to achieve its objectives. So this is about the what is the marketing environmental. Marketing environment is the forces that have an impact on the organization to achieve its objectives. And there are two types of marketing environment factors. One is macro environmental and micro environment. Hope this topic is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please do message me. Thank you so much for listening.